How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Swift Sport. So we are installing a blower valve today. So this is a forge kit that I've recently just received. Imported this from overseas. So today we're gonna get this fitted on and yeah, hopefully make some whooshy whooshy noises. So let's see how it goes. Let's start off with an unboxing and see what all is in the kit. Okay guys, so let's see what all came in the blower valve kit. Alright, so here we have a bracket. So this is going to be what mounts the actual blower valve. We then have a pipe, nicely forge blended as well. We have another breather or air pipe. Here we have the blocking plate for the existing valve. Nice forge sticker. And obviously the blower valve itself. Let's get it all unpackaged and fit it on the car. Okay, so obviously we have to do a sound check first. So let's do a sound check of what the car sounds like with the stock blower valve or recirculating valve, and then we'll see what it sounds like after. Not much of anything, literally only engine sound. Yeah, so let's get installing the blower valve and see what it sounds like after. So this over here is the stock recirculating blower valve. So yeah, we're going to be removing that. You can see there is one bolt over there, needs to come out. This pipe would then also need to come out. And it is, you can get down here behind the turbo. Sorry, the car is hot. Focus, yeah, so that pipe over there needs to come out, and then that is replaced with the forge pipe that comes with the kit. Yeah, so I think first step would be to get this out, and then the blocking plate that's supplied with the kit will go in the place of this blower valve here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove this little clip over here. Probably not a good idea to be doing this while the engine is hot. Okay, roll it out. Okay, get this out of the way. The old bracket come out. Alrighty. And then we can go ahead and take off this clip. Okay, that should just come out. Take the bottom clamp off. Most probably wait till the car gets cold for this.
Five hours later.
There we go. old one out. Okay, so I do believe we need to reuse this O-ring that's on here on the new kit. Oh no, I guess not. So the blocking plate, yeah, the blocking plate does come with its own O-ring, so that's quite cool. Right, now the blocking plate will go in place of the old valve. Make sure it seals nicely around that O-ring. This is the hardware that came with the kit, so I will be using the supplied hardware. And just tighten that up nicely. There we go. Okay, so the charge pipe is now blocked off with the supplied blocking plate. As you can see over there, it looks quite nice. Alright, then let's install the new pipe that comes with the kit. So as you can see, this is the new pipe. It is bigger in diameter because of the bigger dump valve that we're going to fit. So that's why we cannot use the previous pipe. And overall the front just looks better. Nicely forge branded, top and bottom. Okay, let's get that installed. It did come with some Jubilee clips as well. Put that on and then pop it in. I can really see this is going to be a pain to tighten with the Jubilee clips.
Many hours later.
Reference. That is where the clip is that we have to tighten up. Okay, very finely done. That was a pain tightening the Jubilee clips, but mainly because the engine is hot, so it was keep burning on the turbo, so that is why. I think it'll be a bit easier if you do this when the car is cold. Alright, okay, so that is on now. Next thing to do is that this bolt over here, or this nut that's on the turbo, on the actuator actually, needs to come off, and then the bracket supplied in the kit that mounts or holds the actual dump valve in place will work off this bolt over here. So crack this loose, put the bracket on, fit the blower valve, and then I think we're good to go. So this is the bracket. Just trying to figure out how it's gonna actually fit. Put it in that hole over there. There. And like that. Yeah, that looks about it. Okay, let's crack this loose. So what you want to do is just adjust this clip, so it shouldn't be sitting completely onto the actuator. You want it a bit raised so that the dump valve itself doesn't rub onto this pipe and doesn't get damaged on this clip over here. So this is just about right. So I'm gonna just snug up this bolt now. So we do this. And then in the kit there is one more hex bolt that is supplied along with a bolt and some washers. So that is now going to go onto here to secure the dump valve from moving. Okay, that is on. What else do we have? So then it's just a matter now of replacing this breather pipe over here, or air pipe, to go into here. So the kit did come with one. Obviously came with a longer one so that it can reach the top. Okay, so get this pipe removed and install the new pipe. Alright, so with the old pipe off, we're gonna reuse these clips. The kit didn't come with more, it did come with cable ties, but rather reuse these clips. Okay, then we move this, slide on our clips. These are a bit long. I'm actually gonna trim it down a bit. Yeah, so I'm going to trim it down a bit so it's not sticking up too much. Okay, so for here, the stock clip is not going to fit. You're going to have to use the supplied cable ties. I think that's everything, but I'm hoping that's everything. So if you're looking here, there is one cable that is loose. You just slot it into one of the existing clips, and as well as this cable over here. So this cable, you can see, is moving because the clip that it used to go into was the old bracket that we took out. So what you can do is just slot it into this bracket over here for this clip, and it should hold perfectly fine. And just keep things out of the way. There we go. So that's in there, that's sorted. Everything is buttoned up. All our Jubilee clips are tightened. Yeah, next thing to do is give it a rip, see what it sounds like. Okay, so that's everything installed. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like. Okay, so I think it sounds quite nice. It's quite loud. But let's take it for a drive and see what it sounds like on the road. And there you have it, guys. So that brings us to the end of our video. Personal thoughts, I do like how it sounds. It is a bit loud. I'm sure we'll get used to it, but yeah, it sounds rather nice. I think I'll keep it on for a while. Obviously the last thing to do to get your 10 extra kilowatts from your blow off valve is to obviously put on your Forge Motorsport sticker. That's how you get your 10 extra kilowatts. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. And yeah, let's see if we can shoot some more Swift content in the future. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.